Welcome back to the series on getting started with the API on SX. This is just going to be a quick video here where I take the program that I left off with in the last episode and then refactor it from this long file into a bunch of different modules. So I've got my prompt ready to paste in here. Feel free to pause if you want to read the entire thing, but I'm basically just saying that I want the script refactored from what it is right now, but I want it to do exactly what it currently does, just split up into more modular components. And then I pasted the entire thing at the bottom. So I'm going to copy this entire prompt to my clipboard and go send that to Claude. So I like what it's doing here, but I think that the fixtures, markets, leagues, and sports could all probably be consolidated into one thing. So let's recommend that. Say, I like this approach. But I think sports, leagues, fixtures, and markets could be consolidated into one file, as they are all intended to work together to get info about events. Now we've got this file structure for a refactored version of our program that ChatGPT has recommended that we follow. So we're going to go ahead and follow that. So we're just going to start creating this file structure within our new folder here. So the first thing that we're going to want to add is the index.js, which will be like the entry point to the script. Then we want to create a folder called src, just following down the tree here. Then within src, we want to create folders for api.js. And so it looks like we've got all of the different files that we need here. Client.js, within utils, we're missing formatter.js. So now we've got this file structure created here that Claude has recommended. And so now the next thing to do is just go start pasting all of the code into those files. So let's get to it. So it's given us the updated event service in this message here. So let's go ahead and paste that into the event service and save it. And then we've also got the updated index.js. So let's go ahead and add that. And then we'll just need to head back to the previous message to get the rest of them. So we've got the API client or api.js or client.js service. Great. So now it looks like we've got all of the code that we need here. Great, so let's go ahead and try running this refactor version of the script. So since this is a new folder that we're working in here, we'll need to run that initialization command again with npm init. There we go. And then we will also need to install the required dependencies, which is Axios. So we will install that. And now our project is set up in this folder and we can run it with the command node index.js. And it seems that there was a typo somewhere here in, where is that calling utils formatter? Aha, so since our file was named formatter and this code that Claude gave us had formatters, we have to fix that. So now let's try again, the typo fixed. And now we can select a sport like we did before, select a league, select a match from that list, and let's just do spread and view the orders. Great. And now let's try with trades as well to make sure we didn't lose or regress anything here. So, and let's go check money line, view the trades. Great. All right, so now I've got a program that does exactly what it did before, but it's been split up into a bunch of different modules, so it's going to be way easier for me to continue building on top of this later on.